Get your fucking hands up.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to bring a mail call, and it's actually a little different when it comes to the mail calls on this time. We're not going to take you to the bench and get a no box or no bag, no package or nothing, because I'm wearing it. Check out this. Michael Mcreynolds sent this to me. Michael, this thing is awesome, man. I had to put it on right away. I love the whole setup of it. It's pretty cool. It's a nice looking quad too, really nice. So thank you so much, Michael. I got Michael into flying, I don't know how many years ago. It's been, I'd say, good 4 or 5 years at least. Michael's a good guy, guys. Check him out. He just went through his second open heart surgery. What a tough bird, man. So Michael, wish you a quick recovery on that. Again, thank you for the swag. What? That thing is dope. I like the shirt, I really do. At first I looked at it, I said fly. I can't read, but then I was like, oh, FPV, I like it. That quad is sick, I like it. So now, you know what I gotta do? Try to get one and build it like the shirt. That way I can hold it in my hand. Like Crystal does with the Yama. She's got the T-Motor Yama shirt. And I actually have the T-Motor Yama right there built. So we took a picture one time we were holding the shirt. But anyway, let me not get off on that. Michael Mcreynolds, thank you so much again for the mail call. Guys, check Michael's channel out. Please like, comment, and share his channel. Stuff he got going on over there. He does RC cars, drones. You know he's got to be involved with drones. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and FPV.